Welcome to Bluebird Tales, a podcast by Shashwat Dubey. Life is floating with the wind, with trembling boats striving for the ocean. No one asks, what's my notion? Life's page is ruffling with the wind. Lightning scares me in the dark, and the moon reflects my scar. Life turns to befriend the wind. Lightning reminds me of the grind, like a stick to the blind. Now life is more than what I see. Now life might turn to be mess. But with the drizzle of happiness, it seems like God is on his way to bless. Hurdles might make me fall, but the ball of life must roll. Shoes will tatter through my calm, like sunlight scatters through my palm. Stand strong when the qualm arrests my arm, for problems won't harm my charm. I must receive each hitch as if it's a practice for the eve. God prepares my soul to make me achieve. Whenever you feel everything is about to end, just remind yourself, life has much to say. Life has much to say. Thanks for listening. Sayonara.